Top 20 healthy recipes you can make in 10 minutes. 1. Avocado toast with poached egg. We have a classic avocado toast with a poached egg. Just toast a slice of whole grain bread, mash half an avocado, and top it with a perfectly poached egg. Season with salt, pepper, and chili flakes for a spicy kick. It's creamy, satisfying, and full of healthy fats and protein. 2. Greek yogurt and berry parfait. Greek yogurt and berry parfait. Layer creamy Greek yogurt with fresh mixed berries and a sprinkle of granola. Top it off with a drizzle of honey for sweetness. It's a protein-packed snack you can enjoy any time of the day. 3. Veggie wrap with hummus. This veggie wrap with hummus is a lunch favorite. Grab a whole wheat tortilla, spread some hummus, and pile on fresh cucumbers, bell peppers, and spinach. Roll it up and you're good to go. You'll love the crunch and the fiber. 4. Quick chickpea salad. Looking for a heartier option? Try this quick chickpea salad. Toss canned chickpeas with cucumber, red onion, olive oil, and lemon juice. Add salt and pepper to taste. It's refreshing and packed with plant-based protein. 5. Banana peanut butter smoothie. For a quick energy boost, blend a banana, almond milk, peanut butter, and a dash of cinnamon for a delicious smoothie. It's the perfect mix of carbs and healthy fats. 6. Caprese salad. Next is a super simple caprese salad. Have some cherry tomatoes and sliced fresh mozzarella and drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Add some fresh basil leaves and season with salt and pepper. Perfect for a light meal or snack. 7. Spinach and feta. Scramble. Need a quick breakfast? This spinach and feta scramble is done in no time. Sauté spinach in olive oil, add in beaten eggs and scramble. Top with crumbled feta cheese for a creamy finish. 8. Almond butter apple slices. If you're craving something sweet and crunchy, try almond butter apple slices. Just spread almond butter on apple slices and sprinkle chia seeds for extra fiber. It's an easy snack you can enjoy anytime. 9. Cucumber and avocado salad. For something light and refreshing, mix diced cucumber and avocado with olive oil and lemon juice. A simple and delicious salad packed with healthy fats and hydration. 10. Oatmeal with fresh berries. Oatmeal doesn't have to take long. Cook up some oats in water or milk and top with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. You've got a fiber-rich, antioxidant-loaded breakfast. 11th. Turkey lettuce wraps. For a light and low-carb lunch, try turkey lettuce wraps. Roll turkey slices, cheese, and mustard in large lettuce leaves for a crunchy, satisfying bite. 12. Cottage cheese and pineapple bowl. Mix cottage cheese with pineapple chunks for a protein-rich snack with a tropical twist. It's sweet, tangy, and super satisfying. 13. Egg salad on whole wheat toast. Quick and classic. Mash up a boiled egg with Greek yogurt or mayo, spread it on whole wheat toast, and sprinkle some salt and pepper. Simple and filling. 14. Quick tuna salad. Whip up a quick tuna salad by mixing canned tuna with olive oil, lemon juice, cucumber, and celery. It's protein-packed and perfect for a fast lunch. 15. Fruit salad. For a colorful, vitamin-rich snack, mix fresh strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, and orange slices into a fruit salad. It's refreshing and naturally sweet. 16. Edamame with sea salt. Boil some edamame for 5 minutes, sprinkle it with sea salt, and you've got a protein-rich snack that's ready in no time. 17. Avocado and tomato toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, mash half an avocado, and top with fresh tomato slices. A little salt and pepper, and you've got a heart-healthy snack in minutes. 18. Green smoothie blend spinach, banana, almond milk, and chia seeds for a quick nutrient-packed green smoothie. It's a great way to get your greens on the go. 19. Sliced veggies with hummus. Sliced carrots and cucumbers served with hummus make for a crunchy, healthy snack that's easy to prepare and enjoy. 20. Tomato and mozzarella sandwich. Let's make a delicious tomato and mozzarella sandwich. Start with 2 slices of whole grain bread. Add fresh, juicy tomato slices and smooth mozzarella cheese. For a burst of flavor, spread a thin layer of pesto on the bread. Press the sandwich together and you have a quick and satisfying meal. These recipes are quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. If you are always on the go but still want to eat healthy, you're in the right place. Whether you need a light breakfast, a power-packed snack, or a simple dinner, I've got you covered. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. This is KCP3. Thanks for watching.